In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to add watermarks in Word. From the Windows Start menu, choose the All Programs menu and then click on the Microsoft Office folder and finally select Microsoft Word 2010. This will start Word and open a new blank document. You can add your watermark to the default document or open a pre-existing document by clicking on the File tab found in the title bar of the window titled Document 1 Microsoft Word. A menu will appear on the left-hand side of this window. Select Open from among the choices in this menu and navigate to the document you wish to open using the standard Windows File Browser window. Now that your document is open, select the Page Layout tab along the top of the menu to open the Page Layout menu bar. From the Page Background group of commands, select Watermark. A window will pop up allowing you to select from among several pre-designed watermarks by clicking on the image of the watermark you wish to add, or you can create your own text watermark by selecting Custom Watermark from the bottom of the page. Let's click on one of the predefined watermarks and it will be added to the page. The watermark will be added to your open document, and this is how to add a watermark in Word.